everyone and welcome back. If this is your first time, I hope you'll stay. Espero que te quedes. So this is a end of term test for class 4A. It has 25 questions and it has been broken down into 5 different sections. Each section has a total of 5 questions, which is worth a point each. Okay, so let's begin. The first section is to do with the past tense. So I'm going to give you a verb and you're going to write the verb in the past simple and then write a sentence with that word in the past. Okay, I'll give you an example. What is the past tense of think? The past tense of think is thought. So my sentence would be, I thought long and hard about my reply. Another example. What is the past tense of do? The past tense of do is did. Example sentence would be, last week I did all my homework in under 1 hour. Okay, so let's begin. So the first verb is go. Go in the past tense. It's number 1. Number 2, be. Number 3, write. Number 4, run. And number 5, buy. Now take this time to prepare the sentences. You can stop the video to do that. Section 2. This section is to do with opposites. So for example, I will say a word, you will write the opposite of that word. Okay, I'll give you an example. Pass. Fail would be your opposite. Or another example, black, white. Another, start, finish, and so on. Okay? So number 1, the opposite of dangerous. Number 2, the opposite of dark. Number 3, the opposite of complicated. Number 4, the opposite of straight. And number 5, the opposite of inside. Now we're going to move on to section 3, which has to do with the words much and many. Now remember, many is countable and much is uncountable. Okay? So you're going to choose A or B for this exercise. I will repeat each twice. Number 1, A. How many children are there in the park? A again. How many children are there in the park? B. How much children are there in the park? B. How much children are there in the park? Number 2, A. How many time has passed? A. How many time has passed? B. How much time has passed? How much time has passed? Number 3, I don't have, this is A, I don't have many money. A, I don't have many money. B. I don't have much money. B. I don't have much money. Number 4. There is too many information. That's A. A again. There is too many information. B. There is too much information. B. There is too much information. Number 5. A. Count and tell me how much bottles is in the fridge. A. Count and tell me how much bottles is in the fridge. B. Count and tell me how many bottles are in the fridge. Again, B. Count and tell me how many bottles are in the fridge. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the following part, which is a dictation. Now you are going to copy exactly what you hear and try and make sure your spelling is correct. Okay. Number 1. It has been over 3 weeks. It has been over 3 weeks. Number 2. He has always been my friend. He has always been my friend. Number 3. The virus affects everyone. The virus affects everyone. Number 4. It's never too late to say you're sorry. Number 4. It's never too late to say you're sorry. Number 5. They must have worked together in the past. They must have worked together in the past. And the fifth section, the fifth and last section, is the odd one out. So here you have to choose the word that doesn't fit and say why that word is the odd one out. So I'm going to give you an example. Okay. Sun, moon, stars, little. So the odd one out would be little, because all the others have to do with nature. It's an example you could give. Okay? Or another example could be rabbits, cows, horses, and chains. Chain is the odd one out because all the others are animals. Okay? Let's begin. Number 1. Run, sweet, play, go. I repeat. Run, sweet, play, go. Number 2. Patient, honest, cruel, loving. I repeat that one. Patient, honest, cruel, loving. Number 3. Girl, mother, aunt, human. I'll repeat. Girl, mother, aunt, human. Number 4. Is, are, am, not. I repeat. Is, are, am, not. Number 5, the last one. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, when. I repeat. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, when. That is the end of the test. Please feel free to email me with a voice note, the part that you've done orally, and then the written part that you've chosen to do, you can send that to me in a Word document. Okay? I wish you luck, and until next time, adios chicos.